Hello friends, we're at the Galloway Garden Estate in Magaliesburg. We're here for the Cattle Cork Festival. We're with our partners Protea Reserve and we're cooking Wagyu for everybody today. It's a wine and meat festival, so it's going to be a lot of interaction and it's going to be glorious. Follow me for this video. Stay tuned till the end. We're going to give away a piece of Wagyu to somebody in our channel, so watch till the end. I hope you enjoy this video. I'm just about to start my fire. We're going to have a great day. I've got my beautiful Wagyu here. We're cooking 25 kilos of Wagyu for everybody, and I'm going to start filleting it and get it ready for the braai. Guys, I've butchered 25 kilos of Wagyu. Everybody's been coming to us saying how nice it looks. Look at the marbling, it just looks absolutely beautiful. People are gonna love this. I've made salt, pepper and garlic powder. I've done it at a 2-part salt, 1 part pepper and 1 part garlic powder. We're just gonna spice these up and we're gonna get them on the braai.
Once the meat was on the braai, it was non-stop for me. I was cooking the whole day. I was doing steaks both medium and medium rare to cater for everybody. The show brought all types of people. People from farms, people in and around Magaliesburg, and people from out of town from Joburg and Pretoria. We had the biggest queue out of everybody all the time. Every time I looked at the other stands, they had people that were tasting, but our queue was always far and far between. We really did have a good time. We loved interacting with everybody. My team and I just had the absolute best day, making everybody happy eating Wagyu.
It's cooking here, it's so hot in Magaliesburg, but I must be honest, everybody has given the most amazing feedback. They've all said it's their favorite meat with all the 5 meat suppliers here. They love it. It's juicy, it's tender. We've just got salt, pepper, garlic powder, and after it's cooked, I add molten salt. They're loving it. I'm loving it. I'm sweating here, but I'm cooking like the Fat Greek does.
From cooking and cutting Wagyu the whole day, I had an exhausting day, but it was so worth it. I gave a few interviews for the media, and then it was time to serve people with Tanya. We had a good day. It was great. All the stands were lovely. The food, the wine was absolutely delicious, and we couldn't have asked for a better turnout to the Cattle Cork Festival.
Guys, this has been an absolutely incredible experience. I'm here with Tanya from Protea Reserve and the Wagyu Society. We had such a good time. Honestly, it felt like we had the longest queue out of all these stands. We just had people and people. They were loving the meat. They were giving us such good feedback. We've got the Wagyu conference coming up. Tanya's gonna tell you all about it. So here we go.
Hi guys, we would love to invite everyone to join us for the World Wagyu Conference, 13 and 14 October in Stellenbosch. It is an opportunity where all the societies and associations breeding with Wagyu all over the world is coming together, and we are going to celebrate Wagyu as a breed, have lovely Wagyu beef available throughout every day, and yeah, we would love to have you there.
I hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching and keep on cooking, you beautiful people.